I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Unplug the power brick and check its LED. That tells you if power is reaching the adapter. Test the wall outlet with a phone charger to rule out the socket. Once done, disconnect all USB drives and controllers so they cannot short boot or stall the console. You do these steps first because eliminating external variables focuses your troubleshooting only on power delivery and the console itself. Next, verify the power brick by swapping with a known good unit or testing its voltage if you can. A dead brick is the most common cause. While powered off, blow compressed air into vents and around the power connector to clear dust that can cause shorts or overheating. Then perform a soft reset. Hold the console power button for about 10 seconds to discharge capacitors. Wait 30 seconds. Reconnect and attempt to power on. This resets transient faults without data loss. For final steps, only if you're experienced, open the console to reseat the power connector and check for swollen capacitors or loose solder joints. These can stop startup. If you find a blown internal fuse, replace it with the exact specification. This often restores power, but indicates underlying issues. If you're unsure or the board shows extensive damage, stop and get professional repair or a replacement board.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.